Vanakkam, Vanakkam, Vanakkam. Welcome back to your channel, Vastranand. In today's video, I'm going to show you some lovely festive wear, wedding wear sarees in Banarsi silk fabric, which is one of everyone's favorite type of fabric. So let's begin. But before we begin with this catalog, let me quickly remind you to like, share and subscribe to our channel Vastranand, and also download our application Vastranand, which works for both iOS and Android, because that is where you can get all your shoppings done. So let's begin with our very first color. Here comes our first color of this catalog, a lovely grey color saree. I'll come a little closer because the shine would not show the design properly. This is going to be your border section. Now, the border is going to be divided into three parts. In the lower side, you'll find flowers and leaves in zari work. And in the center part is going to be a simple broad border with silver zari work. And then the top one is going to be same as the third one. Now, apart from this very thick border, entire saree is going to be having this kind of a design, which is going to be again silver zari woven design. Now, on the top, this is going to be the border that you're going to get. Look at the shine of the silver zari. Very lovely. Now I'll just go far away, and now let me quickly show you this saree. I'll open this up. Also, fabric, as I already told you, is going to be Banarsi silk. Now, if you see, this one is going to be your blouse. Yes, this is going to be a blouse. I hope you guys can see the design. This is going to be your blouse section like this, filled with zari work, same color as the sari, which is grey. And then this is your pallu. Look at the design of the pallu. Again, for the pallu, I'll have to come a little closer. Look at the design. This is what you'll find, how neatly it is done. Very neat work. Now, as you move ahead, this is going to be the silver zari weaving that you'll find in the entire sari. Just so perfect. So if you want to experiment, if you want to try something new, you can go for this grey sari. And you know, a golden zari work is quite beautiful, but it is common. So if you want to experiment with something new, you can go for silver zari for sure. So here comes the main look of the sari, and blouse already we've been showing to you. So now, moving on to the next color is the one that I'm wearing. I love this green color. Now, on this green color, the silver zari work is very clearly visible and looks so beautiful. Once you dress up nicely, you can wear lovely jewelry, you can wear flowers in your head, and you're going to look absolutely beautiful with our Vastranand sari collection. Moving on to the third color of this catalog, which is gonna be black and silver. Oh my god, look at this. Now in this one, the design is going to be very clearly visible. So I'll again come a little closer so you guys can see it more clearly. So this is the border. Again, I'll just explain it to you. The bottom border is going to be silver zari weaving with flowers and leaves. The center one is going to be zigzag lines like this in silver zari. And then the top one is going to be same as this one. Apart from the border, entire sari is going to be having design like this in silver zari weaving, and then the top border again is going to be same. Alright, so now moving back, I guess now the design is very clearly visible. Let's just open this one up and show you the whole sari. So this is going to be your blouse piece. Now, as you can see guys, the fabric size of the fabric is very enough for you to make elbow sleeve length blouse as well, or a sleeveless blouse as well. So whoever wants, they can make a blouse of their choice, because the fabric length is enough. Okay, so this is your pallu section. This is the design of your pallu, very beautiful, and this is how it looks. So people who love black color, they can go for this sari, Also guys, this is not our first video on Banarsi silk. We have many videos of Banarsi silk. So go and subscribe to our channel first and then visit all the previous videos, past videos that we've already uploaded, and have a look at all the Kanjivaram silks and Banarsi silk sarees that we have for you with lovely golden and silver zari weaving. So this is the black color choice in this catalog. So guys, these are the 3 colors of this particular catalog, which is Banarsi silk. See you with more stunning sarees like this, which work for all the traditional functions, also party wear pieces, as well as we have a variety only for all of you. So see you soon. Bye bye.